40 के होने वाले हो पर अभी तक कोई फाइनेंशियल प्लान ही नहीं की? डोंट वरी, इट्स नेवर टू लेट. जब जागो तब सवेरा. You still have 25 to 40 years career ahead of you.
Many people put off financial planning thinking बहुत time है. Between work, family, life adventure, savings often get pushed aside. Here's why 40 is the perfect timing to unlock your secure future.
When life throws unexpected challenges, then create an emergency fund which will ultimately lift you up. It will help you to protect from medical bills, car troubles or any other surprises which life throws on your way.
Loan? No problem. Educational loan, car loan है. It's time to clear them out. Focus on playing on down debt. ये show off वाले खर्चे जेब खाली कर देते हैं. Cutting back to unnecessary expenses frees up more money for your savings.
Start saving for the education now. The earlier you start, the easier it is to reach those college and tuition goals. Better to be prepared for the retirement than worry. Retirement metro की तरह fast होता है. So start saving for your golden years now.
The power of compound interest will work wonder and ensure your comfortable retirement. Invest in life insurance, जिंदगी के साथ भी, जिंदगी के बाद भी, to ensure your loved ones are taken care. Don't wait any longer. Get a financial plan in place that fits your needs and goals. But wait, there's more. You can also invest in alternative investment like peer-to-peer lending. It's a safe and secure way to grow your wealth. It's time to level your finances at 40. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on taking control of your financial futures. Let us know your comments below with which financial goals you are working on it.